I wanted to try something different, so I air fried some beef ribeye steak boneless. A lot of people don't do this. We from Texas. We throw everything on the grill. So I got an air fryer. I've been air frying a few things, so I'm air fry these steaks right here. Kind of expensive to be air frying, but these little thin ones, I'm not gonna mess with those today. But I'm gonna these right here. These are boneless ribeye steaks. So first, what you want to do, just get your steak, and I'm gonna show you how I did it. This thing is about a little bit over a half-inch thick. See that? These some HEB got some good brand of meat. So I'm gonna go ahead and season these. You know me, I'm gonna use my Tony's, and I'm also use some garlic with parsley and some steak black pepper. And then once I season them on both sides, I'm gonna put some Italian dressing. Just rub it on there, and I'm gonna let it marinate overnight. But you can just throw it in there like that, but I'm gonna let mine marinate overnight. But we're gonna air fry this. So these been sitting overnight, so I'm gonna throw it in this air fryer. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cook it 7 minutes on each side at 400 degrees. It's at 400 degrees, 7 minutes. And what this is gonna do is gonna get it medium. I like my steaks medium. I don't like them well done. You can adjust the temperature how you want or the time. So I'm gonna bring that up to 400 degrees. And I'm gonna set my time for 7 minutes. And once it's done, I'm gonna take it out and flip it and cook it for another 7 minutes at 400 degrees. So the good thing about these air fryers, you don't have to worry about getting all this stuff together, preheating the oven and all that. You just throw it in there and hit your time, and it'll beep when it's time to take it out. So that was 7 minutes. And I'm gonna flip it, and we're gonna put it on the other side and cook it for another 7 minutes at 400 degrees. And you can cook it more or less. It depends on how you like your steak. I probably should have did mine for 6 minutes, but 7 minutes was perfect for me. So I'm gonna go up to 400 degrees. I'm gonna set my time at 7 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and put my okra on. So I'm trying to watch my diet. I've got my blood work back, and my sugar level, we call it sugar, is a little higher than normal. So I'm gonna have to go on a diet and do maybe some keto, so I won't have to get on no medication. I know the side effects of those medications is worse than the medication itself. So we got it. That was 7 minutes, so a total of 14 minutes. So let's take this thing out and let's cut it open and see what it looks like. I'm gonna zoom on it so you guys can see what I'm seeing. So let me get my old raggedy knife, and we're gonna slice it. Oh, that's slicing really easy, tender. And maybe because I marinated it and let it sit overnight, but I don't know. Look at that. It's perfect. It's just like I want it. It might be cooked a little bit too much for me, but that's okay. I think that's good enough for me. Look at that. It's sliced really easy. This regular speed right here. I didn't speed anything up, but on the other side, I'm gonna go ahead and speed it up so we can lay it out and put my presentation on it. You see that? Look at that. Look at that meat. That's a good grade of meat. So we're gonna zoom in onto this and let you see what it looked like. Look at that. Wow. Air fried boneless ribeye steaks. There you go. Total of 14 minutes, and you got you a meal right there. Man. I know this is making you hungry, so I'm gonna have to taste a little bit of this. Let me put it on look at that juice. Look all that juice. Even the air fryer, the juice stayed in there, maybe because you're cooking it at 400 degrees. Let me put it on a white background so you can see it even better. It ain't smoking right now because it cooled off a little bit. So I'm fit to cut me a piece and give it a try. Here we go. Man, it's perfect. Look at that center. Just right, just like I like it. 7 minutes on each side at 400 degrees. Let me try this. Lord have mercy. Tender. Just right. Fit to fry me some okra because I got to watch my diet. I wouldn't think you can air fry steak, especially those types of steak. Everybody want to put them on a grill, but this is, man, I'm telling you, it's perfect. Just right. All right, thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel.